Toyota's well-known hybrid synergy drive finally makes its way to the 12th generation Altis. With stricter emission rules and increasing fuel prices, I say it's about time.
Being the top-of-the-range Altis, the exterior features a couple of niceties including full LED headlamps, taillights, chrome brightworks, and 17-inch alloys. The front fascia has a chiseled look with an oversized grille sporting on the bumper, while the LED DRLs are very much reminiscent of Toyota's Mark V Supra. The side profile reveals a smooth body with a couple of light creases to further enhance its dynamic look. The greenhouse remains large even with its sloping roofline. As we move on to the rear, the wraparound taillights are thin, then gradually pinches as it moves toward the center chrome garnish, and it is where the 12th Gen Altis really stands out. Details that differentiate this from the regular gas-powered Altis are the badges on the front fenders and trunk lid. Look closer and there are blue accents surrounding the Toyota emblem and the headlamps. It seems that the future for car interiors are minimalism. The Altis embraces said philosophy with buttons only for the single-zone automatic climate control. Its horizontal dash layout has an interesting design, however, the black color scheme makes the cabin feel lifeless, save for some chrome accents. The choice of materials are of a mixed bag, with soft touch in some areas but hard plastics on the things you always see. There's also faux stitching present if that appeals to you. Build quality is something you'd expect from Toyota, and it is certain that the company did not skimp on that. From one gripe to the other, the infotainment is dated and slow to respond. The graphics, together with its small screen, surrounded by big piano black bezel, is unsightly to say the least. The absence of a volume knob just adds to its impracticality. The steering wheel may be the cabin's saving grace as it feels nice and soft to the touch. The gear shifter, on the other hand, feels straight out of Lexus, and the electronic parking brake with brake hold is a welcome addition. Practicality-wise, the cabin has enough cubby holes to fill your needs. Rear cabin space is adequate for my 5'6" body, though I still have to point out that this sloping pillar right here does hinder into egress and ingress. Trunk space is rated at 370 liters while the rear seats fold down 60/40. Driving a hybrid is a one-of-a-kind experience. Upon starting, you only hear a beep notifying that the vehicle is ready to be driven. The digital gauge also does this little animation, which is pretty cool. All the information about the vehicle is displayed here, from the power meter, active safety systems, hybrid drive mode, outside temperature, range, fuel consumption, and the like. Depending on the condition, the vehicle will usually start at electric power alone. This makes driving around town efficient since it's sourcing its power from the batteries only. Apply more throttle and the system then provides power from the 1.8-liter gasoline engine.
So the electric motor combined with the engine powers the vehicle, so it will be more fuel efficient. For example, in low speed or when you're in idle in traffic, it uses the electric motor once it's sufficiently charged.
Power output is rated at 121 horsepower and 207 Nm of torque thanks to the hybrid assistance system. This is mated to a continuously variable transmission with power being sent to the front wheels. During my drive around the city, the Altis conveys power smoothly and the transition between battery and engine power is almost seamless. I say almost because I was paying close attention to it. Handling is light with enough feedback on the road. Even with its weight from the batteries, the Altis still manages to be light on its feet. The suspension tackles road imperfections with ease, bringing comfort to the passengers. The seats are soft and supportive, plus visibility throughout is great. Since the Altis is eerily quiet on battery power, you do hear most of the hustle and bustle of the outside world, and I think sound deadening is where the Altis falls short. Besides the hybrid system, one welcome addition to the spec sheet is Toyota's Safety Sense system. This is the only variant that comes with dynamic radar-guided cruise control, which allows for near autonomous driving. There's also automatic headlamps with high beam assist, brake hold, lane tracing assist, and lane departure alert. The Altis always had a reputation for being value-rich without breaking the bank. For this generation, however, the asking price for the hybrid is an eye-watering 1,580,000 pesos. Granted, the model is reaching new heights in terms of technology and safety. Do remember though that its main rivals, the Honda Civic and Mazda 3, have also grown up with nicer interiors. It all really comes down to preference. Aside from the Altis' drab interior, it's packaged in a handsome exterior, fuel-sipping powertrain, and safety systems that even high-end brands offer as an option. One aspect where the Altis definitely shines is its badge and resale value, which is enough for most Filipinos. So there you have it guys, that was my review for the 2020 Toyota Corolla Altis Hybrid. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my socials, which I link in the description down below. This has been TJ, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.